Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Hilo token. Name of the token is Hilo, ticker symbol's also Hilo, H-I-L-O. This token just got listed on CoinGecko and I believe CoinMarketCap as well. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, Hilo. So according to CoinGecko, this token is actually up 49.3%, doing very well. Token price is sitting at about 1/4 of a penny. Their official webpage is hilodapp.com. They have a Twitter listed here on CoinGecko as well, Telegram, Medium articles, GitHub, Etherscan, price chart, contract address. So this is an Ethereum token. So basically, if you wanted to buy this token, you would simply fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum. You'd go into the dApps. You would find Uniswap, and you would trade your Ethereum for the Hilo token using the contract address that you could find on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap or their Etherscan webpage, their white paper. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. You may have to set slippage if that's in the Tokenomics. And just be aware that there is going to be some network fees and gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap. According to their Etherscan, they have 326 holders so far, 5,728 transfers, 18 decimal places, and a max total supply of 100 million tokens. Also on their Etherscan, you can find a contact email, Medium articles, Twitter, Telegram, and their full white paper is available on there as well. So the Hilo DApp introduces a simple and easy binary options prediction market for tokens on the Ethereum network. Powered by the Hilo token, users can predict specific cryptocurrencies' price actions to go higher or lower in a selected time frame. Users place their vote higher or lower and lock Hilo tokens on their vote to have the chance to win a prediction pool prize allocation based on their entry size. Hilo DApp has a complete on-chain structure with full transparency, showing all entities, winners, and burnt Hilo on the Etherscan Explorer. Hilo DApp business model works in a commission-based profit structure for binary options deposits. Regular burning Hilo from deposit commissions are closed draw rounds. So how to use the Hilo DApp predictions here. It says, number 1, buy Hilo on Uniswap. Number 2, connect your wallet to Hilo DApp. Number 3, activate the amount of Hilo you will use in the binary options votes. Number 4, check the countdown timer for the next pool opening. Number 5, check the token chart to get updated insights about price action and take your decision. Number 6, enter the token pair pool by adjusting your entry size and confirming the transaction. Number 7, wait until the time frame of the pool ends. And number 8, check whether the final prize action difference went higher or lower than the opening price. Number 9, if you win, your prize will be instantly claimable on the dashboard. And number 10, check statistics and leaderboard for performance summaries and analytics. So the use case here of the Hilo token, number 1, a pool for Ethereum opens at the price of $1,200. Number 2, the entry period takes 1 hour, and Hilo users can vote on higher or lower and deposit Hilo amounts for their entry. After 1 hour, the entry close and the pool gets locked. The price action monitoring starts immediately after the pool closure and lasts 23 hours. Number 4, If the price of ETH goes up, everyone votes higher and takes out prizes in proportion to the size of their deposits. Number 5, if the price of ETH goes down, everybody who voted lower takes out their prizes in proportion to the size of the deposit. And number 6, in the rare event that ETH remains constant at 0%, if the draw between both sides of the vote and all the Hilo amount gets burned. Interesting. So, yeah, this is basically just like if you were voting on, like you're doing options or what am I talking about here? Futures. And basically, if you I'll think of it in 1 second here. My brain is, I just woke up here. My brain is shot. Basically, it's the same, but it says no liquidation risk. It's like futures, but perpetual futures trading is highly risky and volatile markets with more price action manipulation. I was thinking of the word short. It's like shorting something or longing something, except they're using the word lower or higher. That's basically what it is. I don't know why my brain's not working today. But anyways, I had caffeine and everything. Perpetual futures trading is highly risky in volatile markets with more price action manipulation occurring by exchanges and market makers. You can get liquidated very fast, even if the price moves in the direction of your trade. And I've been there. I have been there. With the Hilo binary options mechanism, the direct momentum of the token will be no concern about inter-time frame volatility. The pool results only consider the last price of the moment of the pool closure. So it goes over all that here. And how does it work here in the live rounds 1, 2, 3 in the expired round? You can go over that on their webpage here, but we're going to skip down to tokenomics now. So taxes are on here. So there is a 6% buy and sell tax. So basically you'll have to set your slippage somewhere around 6% if you're going to buy or sell this token from Uniswap. 2% of that tax goes directly to liquidity. So basically 1 and 1 is what they mean. And another 5 and 5, 10% tax total goes to the development and marketing. They do have a roadmap on here as well. So first they made their Telegram, then Medium, Twitter, Instagram. Then they made their DApp. Then 5 different token pairs like Hilo Ethereum, Hilo USDC, etc. Audited the token and smart contract, integration live charts. Then moving on in the future, they're going to have more prediction pairs. They're going to have a leaderboard, upgrading. Let's see here. Increased liquidity in Uniswap eventually. Then expanding time frames, adding unique pools, marketing expansion, on-demand token listings, multi-chain expansion, all that type of stuff is coming in the future. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comments. What do you guys think about Hilo? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.